And then can you tell us a little bit, why did you decide to serve with AmeriCorps originally? And then what made you decide to come back and serve that second year?
So my first year, in all honesty, like I said, I'm born and raised in Racine, Wisconsin. So I had absolutely no idea what Public Allies was. And I really didn't even truly know what AmeriCorps was. Like I've heard of it, but I just didn't have all the details. So I was working in the healthcare field for a little over 13 years. And a friend of mine introduced me to Joan Rory, who at the time was the executive director for Vision Integrated Racine. And she brought this opportunity to me. So I researched it a little bit more and I was like, this sounds really good. It's something that I wanted to do. I wanted to get out of the healthcare field. I wanted to be more in my community. I wanted to be more of a voice of leadership in my community, right? So Public Allies was seeming at the time like a great opportunity to do that. Once I got involved in the program, I realized that it was so much more than just this program, right? Like there was a lot of self-discovery, a lot of self-reflection, a lot of growth, a lot of opportunity. So that made me want to do it a second year because I felt like a year is good, right? 10 months is a great opportunity, but that's just the beginning. So I felt like another 10 months would push me to that next level. So that's what made me want to do it a second year.
You can tell us a little bit about the difference between your service in year one and year two.
So I would say year one, everything was new, right? I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what was coming. I didn't know, anything that was going to happen. So it was very informative for me. It was a great learning experience. It was an eye opener to different places in Milwaukee, since I'm not originally from there. I did have to come to Friday trainings, which were in Milwaukee. So I got to visit a lot of different places. I got to meet a lot of new people, a lot of leadership around Milwaukee, which was eye-opening for me. And then I would say for the second year, what I feel was different was we were now put in that role to put our leadership skills that we learned in the first year into action, on top of still learning more leadership skills while we went. So that would be the difference to me.